Hello kids, welcome to Junior's Art, and today I'm gonna draw a beautiful glamour girl. So let's start. Firstly, I'm gonna draw her beautiful hair. It shouldn't be this short, so I'm making it longer. That's it. Wow. Beautiful hair. And now trying to do her beautiful face. Just drawn her scarf and big eyes. Oh my gosh, at this time she's looking like a ghost. But don't worry, I'm now making her prettier. Like this simple and tricky work. Done. Now look at her, she's so pretty. Here's her bum. And let's start drawing her dress. As she is a glamour girl, so she should wear something very gorgeous and colorful, obviously. Oh my gosh, look at her. Her legs and shoes. Don't worry, I'm gonna show you her legs like this. Let's color. Begin with brown. She has a beautiful long brown hair. Be careful about coloring, don't let your color go out. Oh wow! Let's do her cheek pink. It should be a little bigger. Perfect. Scarf. I'm trying to make her outfit colorful and beautiful and gorgeous and amazing. So I have used green for her scarf and again the brown for her t-shirt, blue for her skirt, and cyan for a coat. Or jacket, anything you can say. It's done. And red for her beautiful shoes. I'm impressed with this. So thank you so much for watching my video. If you enjoyed this video, then don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.